Tonight we're launching Nadene Lomu Cosmetics here at Seioriana, SAP Auckland. It's been such a great turnout. We're so glad and proud of Nadene and all her efforts she's done in putting so much love and energy and her spirit into such an amazing product. I myself am a matte girl, but I love. I'm wearing Bites right now. Don't bite me, but I'm just saying. It's such an incredible product for such an amazing price. So you have to come down. Everyone is enjoying themselves. The ladies tonight was successful. So please come on in. We'll share this product with you as well. And share with all your families and friends. Kiss proof, transfer, non-transferable, healthy, cruelty-free product. Vitamin E so it doesn't damage your lips. All the good stuff for the best price. Come on down to Seioriana.
Hi, I'm Nadene Lomu and I am the creator and lady behind Nadene Lomu Cosmetics. The meaning behind the creation of it all is I've really wanted to help ladies to feel beautiful. So even on a dull day or whatever challenges in life they are going through, I really just wanted them to help them to feel special. I know that ladies and mums are just doing so much for everybody else, so this was my way of helping encourage the beautiful souls that they all are to really just put something back into themselves. They really are the rock behind any family. We have a range of beautiful products that are just amazing, and they're all cruelty free, and we have a range of mineral long-lasting matte lipsticks, and also they come with matching lip liner pencils, so that's what we call a lip kit. We also have bright and bold singles, and they speak for themselves, and they just come as singles, so all of them are long-lasting. I often encourage the ladies to go home and test it on your partners, your husbands. For me, I get to test it on my sons, and it just means that I get to give them big smooches and squeezes, and nothing ends up on their cheeks. So the fact that we can go out with the girls, go out with the guys, or whatever it is that you want, and you know you're going to step out the door, look beautiful, your colour is going to stay on your lips, and it speaks for itself. But it's my way of helping every lady feel beautiful.